Silenzio Ferilinso. That reminds me of Silenzio Bruno. Comment down below if you know where that came from. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And in today's video we have a case that I picked up on Amazon. Born to cases. I don't know what born to cases means, but it is Ferilinso. I want to say this is an Italian case, but probably not. I just like pronouncing it that way. But this is a case that cost me $7.99. You can save 38% off right now, so it's $5 off. Normally $12.99, but you can pick it up for $7.99 with Prime shipping. They do have other colors available. I did pick up the black ones. The other ones are a little bit more expensive, about $1 more expensive. But in front of me we have the black one, then you have a blue one, a green, purple, and red. Silenzio Bruno. So very simple packaging from Amazon, obviously. This is Ferilinso case. It's made in China, so it's not Italian. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbag this. Bam. But I do like this style of cases here. So this is the soft TPU bumper around the edge. And when I mean you can pick them up in different colors, the edge bumper portion of the case is what changes colors. And the buttons are different as well. It depends on what color case you pick up. The buttons are going to change as well. So this is a matted hard plastic shell on the back, as you can hear. Matted plastic back, and it looks relatively good. It does not feel cheap for being a pretty much cheap in price case for your Pixel 5a. Let's go ahead and peel this protective film off from the inside. Voila. And you do not have a protection film on the outside of it. Let's grab the phone itself and place this inside, and look at that. Look at that. Feels very snug. You do have lip protection, and I do have a tempered glass screen protector, but you do have lip protection all around that screen there, so no issues when laying your phone face down on a flat surface. Nothing's going to happen to the screen or that screen protector, because they do have a screen protector. The screen protector currently rocking on the Pixel 5a is the one that came with my Way Color case. This does not add too much bulk to your Pixel 5a. The buttons are off color and they are red, but they are nice and tactile, very responsive. I love the feeling of these buttons. They're almost like separated, almost like a two-piece from the case. Very nice and clicky, very responsive, very satisfying pressing this power button and volume rocker up and down. Look at that. Nice and clicky. Don't get better than that. On top we have our headphone jack, nice and precise, and our mic cutout also nice and precise. Now there is plenty of room there around the headphone jack, so if you want to go ahead and plug in some wired headphones, you most definitely can, and you are going to have plenty of room around that cutout there. So just in case the connector is a little on the thicker side, you shouldn't have an issue with the case interfering with that headphone jack. On the bottom we do have our power and speaker and mic, also nice and precise. Plenty of room on the bottom as well. This is a Nomad Type-C charging cable. Make sure you hit up that video. This is the very quality Type-C cable made out of Kevlar, the braided part. But as you can see, it's a little on the thicker side, and there is no issues with this thicker Type-C cable plugging into your Pixel 5a and the case interfering with that at all. You do have that lip protection around that camera lens there. You can see it, so there is no issues with your phone being on its back on a flat surface. That camera lens is not going to get scratched. But not only do you have that added protection there, this outer edge bumper also protrudes this matted back plastic part, so this also can stay scratch free. The phone and case itself rests on this outer little border here. I don't know if you can see it there, but it looks pretty good. Look at that, no issues whatsoever. So there you have it, guys. Another accessory video for the Pixel 5a. This is Ferilinso anti-fingerprint design for the Google Pixel 5a 5G case. Translucent matte hard plastic PC on the back with a flexible frame. This is what they advertise on Amazon. $7.99. It's basically 38% off. Normally it's $12.99. So if you go ahead and hit that link in the description, you can get it for $7.99. Available in different colors. You won't be dissatisfied with this case because it feels very premium in hand. The buttons are nice and tactile. Look at that. And it is tempered glass screen protector friendly, as you can tell. Voila, look at that. Even the cutout for the earpiece, I forgot this one has an earpiece up there. Nice and precise. No issues with this beautiful case. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you're new to the channel, make sure you most definitely subscribe, because we are going to be doing a lot of case accessory reviews and tempered glass screen protector reviews for the Pixel 5a 5G. So make sure you most definitely subscribe. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.